quotation we're going to talk about today is the first that comes from Act 2, and it happens in Scene 1, a very short scene, one where it really is a lot of Polonius, which, if you ask my opinion, makes it a really long and not that important scene. But what is crucial is when Ophelia comes in, because who is a key player in this play? Not as much Polonius, definitely Ophelia. So Ophelia comes in and she's very upset because she's been accosted by Hamlet. And of course Polonius says, "Did you do everything I asked? Did you make sure you ignored him?" And Ophelia of course says, "No, my good lord, as you did command, I did repel his fetters and denied him access to me." So Ophelia shows that she's being the loyal daughter to Polonius, and shows that in doing that, she, in her mind, has set Hamlet off into this insanity. Now, we know this isn't true and that Hamlet is really playing a part, but Ophelia here shows what her number one priority is. And respect it or not, her number one priority comes straight from the Ten Commandments. Obey thy father. She is listening to what her father says and is doing that over what she would personally want to do, which is, of course, enter a relationship with Hamlet, which she is probably doing before the play starts. But here, we see ever loyal Ophelia doing exactly as her father asks and denying Hamlet access to her. So, what does she think happens? She thinks that that has set him off, and we see the insanity that follows in this relationship. Watch Ophelia here, because thus far in the play, we already see that Ophelia is going to be put in a tough position. Dead father, killed by her kind of boyfriend. And where Ophelia goes really should change the spectrum that we read Hamlet through, the Ophelia character moving into Acts 4 and 5. But in Act 2 and further on, loyal Ophelia.